Hello everyone! Welcome to our Make Easy recipes. Today I'll be showing you how to make a very easy avocado smoothie that you can make. To make this drink, you will need an avocado, milk, and condensed milk. Okay, let's get started. First, I'm going to cut the avocado and take out the seed. Next, I'm going to scoop the avocado and put it in the blender. You can also cut the avocado in pieces and put it in the blender. Next, I'm going to add 1 cup of milk. Lastly, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. You can add as much as you like according to your taste. Now I'm going to blend it. And voila! Our avocado milkshake is ready. Time to serve it! I'm going to serve it in this amazing flamingo glass. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!